AutoCAD stretch command tips is what you will learn in this video. I'll show you all my tricks for stretching objects in AutoCAD. As you can see, the stretch command is very straightforward. You type S for the shortcut and press enter. You then click once, twice, press enter, click once and twice again to stretch this part. If we want to stretch the other way around, again S, enter, click, click, enter, click, click, and done. However, this stretch command technique is not enough if we're working in a complex project, like this architectural elevation. So, let's start AutoCAD stretch tips. AutoCAD stretch command tips 1. So let's say for instance that you use the stretch command to stretch this architectural element, which is 55 feet. And if we use the normal stretch command, as you can see, it is also going to stretch our architectural signage, which is 32 feet. But we don't want that because this architectural signage is correct. So this is where the stretch crossing polyline comes handy. So let's try it. Type S, enter, C, P for crossing polyline and press enter. Now if you click here, here, and go around your architectural signage and finally press enter and enter one more time, if you click on your screen and start stretching, you can see that we're not touching our architectural signage, which is great. Now we said we need 2 feet to the left, so type 2 feet and press enter. Awesome. As you can see, our architectural element is now 57 feet, which is correct, and our signage is also 32 feet. Awesome. AutoCAD stretch command tips number 2. Join our team by subscribing and clicking the bell. Use the M stretch command for multiple stretching. So now I want to stretch this storefront, but also this other one. Instead of using the normal stretch command, I'll use M stretch and press enter. This will allow you to stretch multiple objects at the same time. So 1, 2, you could keep going, but that's all I need right now. So finally press enter. And I want to stretch these objects 12 inches to the left. So I'll click 12, enter. As you can see, both storefronts were stretched. AutoCAD stretch command tips number 3. If you need to stretch an object in AutoCAD from a specific distance, use the stretch command from. So let's see how it works. Type S to start the stretch command. Then let's say for instance I want to stretch this storefront 1 foot from this wall. So as you can see, right now it is around 3 feet. So if I use S and press enter and select this storefront and press enter, click here, hold shift on your keyboard, right click on your mouse and choose from. Now click this wall once and then finally move your mouse to the left and type your distance. We set 12 inches and enter. As you can see, now this storefront is 12 inches from the wall. Awesome. The reason stretch is so powerful here, if we undo, is because if you only move the window using the move command, you'll see that you have to fix the rest of your drawing. We don't want that. That's why stretch command is so powerful. As a bonus tip, for the AutoCAD stretch tips, remember to use the previous transparency command whenever you want to select a previous stretching. For instance, instead of select again my window, I can simply say S for stretch and then P for previous. Enter, and one more time enter to accept that selection. So, which stretching trick you didn't know? Let me know in the comments below.